Hello everyone, I'm Shivam97. I'm back. I have made my own cube. Here you can have a look. It's black on the top and on the in the bottom, and it's white all around. I removed the stickers of the top color and of the bottom color, and I removed the colors of the other stickers with the nail polish remover. So the cube is black and white. Now I'm going to shuffle it and I'm going to solve it. So here I am shuffling the cube. Okay, I have shuffled it well. You can have a look. And I'm just having a look at the cube. Okay, and now here I go. Now I'm going to solve it. And here it's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.